वंदे गुरुं पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् नमस्ते नरसिंहाय प्रह्लादालाददायिने हिरण्यकशिपुर्वचः शिलाटङ्कनखायले वागीशाजस्य वदने लक्ष्मीर्जस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ते हृदये संवित्तं नृसिंहम् अहं भजे इतो नृसिंह परितो नृसिंह जतो जतो जामि ततो नृसिंह बहिर्नृसिंहो हृदये नृसिंहो नृसिंहमादिं शरणं प्रपद्ये श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Danmat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs, Nitla Priest Om Vishnupad, Ashtotar Sat Bhakti, Jivan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj, Nitla Priest Om Vishnupad, Ashtot Bhakti Vedant, Narayan Gosai Maharaj, all Sri Rupanuguru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So we follow yesterday Nirsing Chaturdasi, appearance day of Nirsing Bhagwan. So Nirsing Bhagwan called Bhakta Vigna Vinasankari. Devotees all disturbance destroyed by Nirsing Bhagwan. His prayers of Prahlad Maharaj, faith of Prahlad Maharaj, belief of Prahlad Maharaj, he appeared from pillar. So this Nirsing Avatar's Katha in 7th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam mention when Sri Yudhishthir Maharaj doing Raiswi Yagya, that assembly Narad Muni this all Katha spoke to Yudhishthir Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj asking Sukdev Goswami, why Bhagwan takes side? One way is saying Bhagwan is equal, he will wishes everyone, but I see he takes side of demigods and killing to asuras. So Sama Priya Surda Brahman Bhutanam Bhagwan Swayam इंद्रस्य अर्थे कथम दैत्यान अबाधित विस्मो जथा इति न सुमहाभाग नारायण गुणान प्रति संशयम सुमहान जात तद भवान छेतुम अर्हसि। भगवान सम प्रिय सुहृद is everyone beloved, everyone like to Bhagwan, but sometimes he take to shelter of demigods and killing to asuras. So these qualities of Bhagwan, I have some doubt. Then Sukdev Goswami said, no, Bhagwan is equal. It's not taking any side. But any fight, any problem, any disturbance coming, this is the nature of gunas. Rajagun, Tamagun, Sattvaguns, they fight. So all people according to nature, according to own karmas, they each other beating and protecting. Bhagwan is just neutrally looking this thing, and he know any involved. If any problem anyone come, this is his karmas. his gunas. He do like that, then he dying by his own activities. So Bhagwan killed to Hiranyakashipu. This is the nature of Hiranyakashipu. His activities not proper. He is disturbed to everyone. Cows, Brahmans, Dharmas, Jagyas. Especially he is too much disturbed to Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad is not enemy. Prahlad has no any enemy. Nirvair, Prasant, Samdarshi, sadhus. He is following all rule regulation. He is not doing any nonsense, not doing any bad anything. But still, Hiranyakashipu too much attack to Prahlad. So, actually his own activities killing to him. Nirsingh Bhagwan just become medium, thinking Nirsingh Bhagwan kill, but Nirsingh Bhagwan, if he follow nicely, then why he will kill? So Bhagwan sometime something doing only keep to balance, but he not envious, jealous, enemy. This not mood is there. But sometimes situation out of control, then Bhagwan have to balance, like all Jaduvanshis. Bhagwan killing himself because they too much opulence, too much power, then going out of rule regulation. He is taking to Jambati's son Samba and putting stomach some cloth and going to jokes to rishis and saying, ask these ladies, Jaduvansh ladies, she has baby in womb, and which baby will come, son or girl, boy or girl? Then they curse, Musal will come. So Krishna can protect them, but not. When out of control, then necessary to balance. This cause all Jaduvanshis each other fighting, Krishna also beating to them. So Bhagwan only like to maintenance properly. It's not enemy by caste. If enemy to all asuras, not like that. In asuras also like Vibhishan, like Prahlad, some great devotees, great bhaktas, following rule, regulation, dharmas, Bhagwan protect them also and give too much affection. So Bhagwan's leelas and character sometimes we no properly understand, then we think Bhagwan taking side. So your question remind to me Prahlad's character. Then Sukdev Goswami very happy and start to Prahlad Kathas, Prahlad Maharaj's pastimes, saying, "O Parichit, O Rajan, O King, Prahlad Maharaj's qualities, who can count? So much qualification. From child, his good sanskar, this all get from Narad Munis. So his character, what his follower, even his enemy, like us demigods, Indra, he also own assembly, time to time speaking pastimes of Prahlad Maharaj. Indra saying, I like this type enemy, which proper behave. When he attack some cause, no unnecessary. His nature is so nice. So this katha I will tell you. When your grandfathers are doing Raisu Jagya, Yudhishthira Maharaj saw that Jagyas Sisupal too much abused to Krishna, too much criticized, over criticized, more than 100 birds. Then Krishna took his Sudarshan Chakra, Krishna Bhagavan, and killed to him. And after that, his soul entrance to Krishna's lotus feet. soul. Then Yudhishthira Maharaj shocked and asking to Narad Muni, Prabhu, you know past, present and future. What is this? Who are doing Krishna bhajan, they get Krishna sarup, they get mukti. This is understanding things. But who are not doing any bhajan, morning to evening, day to night, 24 hours, just abuse to Krishna. Cowherd boys, Krishna's this, Krishna's that, Krishna's butter stealer, Krishna's cloth stealer, Krishna's like no proper personality. This type criticize. And he got to Krishna. Then Narad Muni says, yes. You hear from me what is these things. Anyhow, mind, if absorbed to Krishna lotus feet, they get benefit. Tasmat ke napi upaye na mana Krishna nivesayet. Rajan, proper way is by bhakti our mind attached to Krishna feet, lotus feet. But someone have not this type nature, not this type qualities, sanskara, some envious mood, jealous mood, enemy mood, hate. Saying anyhow, this all should be for Krishna. He will get some auspicious. Narad Muni said, look, Gopya kamat bhayat kanso, dvesad cheda daya nirpa, vrissinya sambandha saneha jujam bhaktaya bayam vibho. Braj gopis are fully absorbed Krishna. They always chanting name of Krishna, Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Jo dohne abhanne matno palem kane. This way they absorbed Krishna. Kansa by fear. And this Chedi Naresh Sisupal and Danta Bhaktra, they envious, this. This way they absorb to Krishna. And all Vrishnis are absorbing Krishna, they think Krishna is my relative. You have too much affection for Krishna. You think Krishna is my buas, what called? My mama's son, Mamera Bhai. This way you have affection. So Saneha Juyam and Bhaktaya Bayang Vibho. We are so much love to Krishna with bhakti. This way we got to Krishna. This all Katha Narad Muni is saying. Sisupal from birth abused to Krishna, but that way is so much tanmay. Narad Muni giving one example, like one small wasp, and that wasp, he catching any wasp, any insect, any worm, any type, black, white, yellow, green, and that insect he bring and put in mud house. Kita pesaskrit rudhyam tamnu smarana saram bhai jogena bindate tat saruptam. And that insect fear by that wasp, and he putting inside mud house and outside sitting and making some sound, threatening to him. And then after 3 months, 4 months, when he come out, he becomes same like him, similar sarupas. So similarly, Sisupal always thinking about Krishna. Then last moment when left body, he got Krishna. But here one question, one point, that is, everyone getting Krishna, but not same way getting Krishna. By bhakti, we get Krishna directly. If anyone have Dasya mood, Sakhya mood, Vatsala mood, and Madhur mood, these moods, they directly go Golok Vrindavan, or they directly serve to Krishna, his Sarup. But who are envious, jealous, hate, this way also they remember Krishna, but when they left living body, then he not getting this type seva. They got some mukti, merge Krishna's effulgence and some merging Krishna's body, like Paramatma's body, yogis. And Gyanis merge his effulgence. So Sisupal, Dantravak, this type place getting, this way getting to Krishna, just muktis. But this also something. One word, something better than nothing. So this way he got to Krishna. Actually, Sisupal and Danta Bhaktra, they are Bhagwan's Parikar. They was Vaikuntha's Parsad. They were. One's name is Jai and another name is Vijay. One time, 4 Kumaras went to Vaikuntha, darshan to Narayan Bhagwan, Lakshmi Narayan. But Jai Vijay, when look them, they look small, like 5-6 years old baby. Then they could not recognize who are they. Baby and without clothes. Then thinking this time baby go in Vaikuntha, make disturbance. What they will do inside? They have not so much maturity. This type some mind came, so they putting stick like barrier. Then 4 Kumaras become very angry and saying, don't know, who are you? How can you stay in Vaikunthas? Your nature is not proper. Because in Vaikuntha who will come, they are not ordinary. They are not Rajaguni, Tamogunis. They are Visuddha Sattvas people coming. We came Bhagwan Darshan. On Bhagwan's Darshan, Bhagwan temple, not closed, no barrier. It's open for everyone. On your Bhagwan's Bhaktas, and you are stopping to us. Ko Bami Hait Bhagavad Paricharjam. Who are you stopping to Bhagavad Seva, Bhagavad Darshan? Tad dharmi nam nivasatam visama svabhava. So your nature like Asura. So Asurim Jonim Jahi. Be to Asur. So 4 Kumar curse this cause they become 3 life Asuras. One life is Hiranyach, Hiranyakaspu. Second life Raman Kumbhakarna become Rakshas. And third life become Kshatriyas, Sisupal and Dant Bhaktra. Also one more life got. That was Jagai Madhai. And this life Mahaprabhu fully liberate, fully sent to Vaikunthas. So Mahaprabhu mercy more powerful than any avatar's mercy. Another avatar has mercy, gives some mukti, but not giving prema, no returning to his place. But Mahaprabhu took him forever, Sankirtans, Krishna premas. So this Jai Vijay become Danta Bhakt, Sisupal and Dantra Bhakta, who are your mama's son, your brothers. What called nephew? Brother, this like cousin brothers, some type like no. And he's from child abused to Krishna, but anyhow is so much absorbed to Krishna. 24 hours thinking to Krishna. Sometimes devotees by love, by bhakti is not that much absorbed how much Sisupal absorbed. Jatha Vairanu Bandhena Martas Tanmay Tamyat na tatha bhakti jogena iti me nischita mati. Narad Muni saying, by enemy mood, how much you absorb, sometime ordinary bhakti is not giving that much absorption. Because ordinary bhakti, sometimes we remember Krishna, sometimes chanting name, sometimes forgetting. Some they do bhajan, some they not bhajan, sometimes run here, there. No flow, no 24 hours. Like Brajvasi, like Braj Gopis. Because this bhakti is rag bhakti. But here, na tatha bhakti yogena means like sadhan when bhakti, Vaidhi bhakti, ordinary bhakti, so bhakti not so much attachment, not too much, not so much observation. This type bhakti sometimes remember, sometimes forget, like Ghantarla, no? Anishtita bhaktis. By that bhaktis not that much absorber. How much absorber Sisupala Danta Bhakti by enemy. This is gone ras. Like no, Hasya Adbhut, Veer, Karun, Vibhatsa Bhayankar, Bhayanak Raudra, this 7 ras gone ras. But this gone ras devotee people also so much absorb Krishna. When you angry and Raudras, no, and Veer, that time fully absorb, not remember anything. So this way Sisupal too much absorbed. So Krishna killed him. So Narad Muni saying, when Jai Vijay first life become Hiranyakaspu or Hiranyach, that life, Bara Bhagwan killed Hiranyach and Nirsingh Bhagwan killed to Hiranyakaspu. Because Hiranyakaspu so much hate his son Prahlad. Prahlad is no bad qualities, very good character, but he no like him. Because by curse he become enemy of Bhagwan, Asuri natures, and he not tolerate to Bhagwan. He got so much power. He control everyone, air, water, fire, all demigods, Varun, Kuber, Indras, except Brahma, everyone under of him. So he's thinking, I am everything, and this world, nothing else. So all people remember to me, all chant to my name, all offering to me, all sacrifice to me. Why doing Vishnu Jagyas? Why chanting name of Vishnu? So he too much hate to Prahlad because Prahlad was big supporter of Vishnu, big bhakta of Vishnu. Then Yudhishthira was saying, I like this katha hearing in details. Any father never hate own son, no become that much enemy against to son who like to kill himself and allow to kill this son. And what happened this time? Then Bhagavan came and killed to Hiranyakaspu. This whole kathas tell. So Narad Muni, this Nirsingh Charit and Prahlad Charit, Bhakta Bhagavan's kathas start to speaking. Saying when Bara Bhagavan killed to Hiranyach, Hiranyakaspu becomes so angry. His eyes become red. He take in hand Tirsul and calling to all Asuras. Hey Sakuni, hey Ilval, hey Birupach, hey Surantak, hey Narantak, these all Asuras. Come, hey Trimurdhana, Drimurdhana, these all names. Come and hear to me. Before Vishnu was okay, but now Vishnu's nature become like baby. Anyone, anything little giving him and he's fully captured by him. And he's changing his sarupa. Now he become pig and this and that. And he killed to my brother. So be revenge. Who are follower of Vishnu, finish to them. No jagya, no chanting Harinam, no any activities, any religious thing people will do. So he ordered and all asuras start to disturb everything. No jagyas, killing to cow, killing to Brahman, killing to sadhus, burning to ashrams. So everything destroyed. And Hiranyakaspu said to own mother, Diti, and wife of Hiranyach, name is Rusabhanu. saying, O mother and O putra badhus, bhratrus badhus, hear to me. Don't cry for my brother. O mother, your son is great personality. In war, one losing, one winning. This is naturally. Both sides not winning. One win, one lose. But this is not big things. Who is winning, who is losing? Big things, how you fighting. So my brothers fight. He never run away from war. Not run away. He not show backside. So you feel glad you are this type son's mother, this type husband, wife, whose husband, whose son. We also feel very glad my brothers like that. Oh mother, death is from birth. Where birth is starting, death also start there. Today and 100 years after, everyone have to go, depart. But this changing only body, soul is eternal. Hiranyakashipu so knowledgeable personality, so nice knowledge, Gyan telling, but himself no apply. His nature is demonic. So soul never die. So nothing to cry. And by crying, nothing to get. Because who came, he have to go. Or who gone, they never come. Maybe another body take, but this body, whose body living, that body again not returning. See, one Katha, one king, his name is Sujagya. Is Usinar one place, that country's is king, his name is Sujagya. He's so powerful personality. He's always defeating to enemy. Never in life saw any bad time. Never lose any war. But today is last time, bad time, time over. He went in fight and their enemies surround to him. And together many enemies are attacking. And they killed to him very badly. His ear somewhere dropped, finger somewhere, tongue somewhere, nose somewhere, teeth somewhere. Whole body is making pieces. This like so bibhatsa. Cannot see how bad look. That time when his wife heard, they crying, they run away home to fighting field and catching to husband bodies and too much hitting on her chest, too much crying. His Prabhu, now laugh, look your enemy how is laughing. One day was your enemies salute to you, all fear from you, but today no one fear from you. Stand up and see how we are crying. So they too much cry. That time one boy came, 5 years old. He was himself Jamraj, Dharmaraj. And he started to speaking to them. Hey, why are you crying? अहो अमीसा वैसा धिकानम विपस्यताम लोक विधिम विमोह जत्रा गतस्तत्र गतम मनुष्य स्वयं सधर्म पार्थ विचिन्तयाम अहो वयम धन्य तमाजदत्र त्यक्ता पितृभ्याम न विचिन्तयाम अवच्छमान अबला बिरकादिवि स रक्षति जो ही गर्भ स रक्षति रचिता जो ही गर्भ. This boy start to teaching to them. Hey, why all are crying? You are so old, 70 or 60 years old. 50 years old. Look, I am very small, but I am not crying. In looking, this world is rules. Who are coming, they have to live. So from where we came, return to there, go to here to there. This soul, anywhere go, bodies change always. Everyone in line. So who will cry to whom? I am very fortunate. My parents, small time left me. I don't know where they gone. Aho bayam dhannatama takta pitribhyam na vichintayam. But I am not thinking anything. Avachamana abala. I have no power. I cannot protect myself. So any lion, any animals can eat me. Anyone can kill me. But Bhagwan protect me. Who protect in womb, he protect also outside. Sa rachati rachita jo hi garve. This all depend to time. When person not time coming, anyone cannot kill him. But when time come, then no one can protect him. See, be something lost in way. Even a small needle. If needles, our luck have still get, you go and you can find out. But sometimes something losing, then that can lose from almari, from treasure. So patham chutam pathi chutam tishtati rachitam grihsthitam tad vihitam vinasati. Jivatya nathva pita dichito bane giro api hato guptu aso hato na jivati. Something in road we can get what lost, but something in home we cannot find out. So if life left, then without protection we can protect. But life finished, then many protections, but how can die, no one know. So don't cry, his time over. So by crying he cannot return. And if too much crying, then your situation like dead birds. Jamraj start another story, saying one birds together staying, Kuling and Kulingis. She gave 2 eggs, 2 baby came, too much attachment, both together going and bringing some food, feeding to children, very happy. But one hunter could not tolerate his happy life. He put net on some grains, and Kulingi too much greed for that grains and going inside and captured by hunter. Then his husband too much start to crying, Kulingi. Oh, just now I start to grasp life. Just baby came. I just starting to be bigger to them. Many planning we are doing, no? Now I will give good education, good, they will get good job, this, that, then more happy, more good, more nice come. But time not waiting this all. We are not doing bhajan, we just planning material things, and our plan is staying one side and we going another side. So too much crying and too much tears coming. He could not see any direction. Emam bilampante priya aturam priya bijoga aturam asru kantham. Evam bilapantam आरात प्रिया बिजोगा आतुरवस्तु कंठम सत्ताम सकुने का सरेना दिव्याध काल प्रहितो बिलीना. Too much crying, cannot see, hunter also looking him, and hidden way shoot to him. He also died. This hunter was very cruel. He took this Kulingis and 2 babies all together, whole family. So death, Kal is like that. He killing everyone. So Devis, 1 day cry or 100 years cry. This crying cannot help you. Your husband never returned. Who gone? Who gone? Who was with you? That body is here. Whose soul you don't know? He goes secretly. So this wife or Sujagya, they got vairagya, knowledge, and got patience. They stopped to crying, returned to home. So we also not too much cry for our brother, our son, our husband. Hiranyakashipu teaching them nicely and himself making own plan. He went to Mandrachal and big tapasyas. Satepe mandar dronayam tapah param darunam. Urdha vaho navo drishti padangushta sritavani. Stand up through the toe, 2 toes using this way, stand up. And hand putting up. And eyes and head also putting up. This very utkat, very strong tapasya. No one did like that. By tapasyas, from his dreadlock, too much fire coming. His whole body covered by mud, no dimak. Covered. All demigods cannot tolerate running here, they protect me, going to Brahma's place. Then Brahma came himself riding on Hansa, swan, and so happily saying to Hiranyakashipu, Hey Kasyap Nandan, Utishta, Utishta, stand up, see me, tapvasti siddhi Kasyapa. Your tapasya complete. I came to give to benediction. When hearing this thing, Hiranyakashipu opened eyes, looking to Brahma in the sky. He did pranam. Brahma also his commandus transcendental water, throwing his body, and all his rubbish, all mud gone off, and he looks so young, so strong, so healthy. He feel like just now I came from home to here tapasya. Brahma said, Baram Bruhi, ask what you want. Hiranyakashipu saying, if you like to give me benediction according to me, what I want, then first benediction he give, I cannot die. Brahma said, this is impossible. Except that anything you can ask. Na antar na bahir diva, naktam asmadapi chajuday na bhumo, na mare mritu, na nare na mirgaira. Na antar bahi diva. I cannot die inside, no outside, no day, no night, no astras, no shastras, no weapons. So, anyway, no die. Brahma said, okay, tathastu. No male, no man, no animals. This many things telling. Brahma ji say, okay. Hiranyakashipu returned to home. He was 4th son. Anulad and Ahlad, and younger's name is Prahlad. Prahlad, so nice nature. So Hiranyakashipu sent him to Gurukul, son of Sukracharya, Sandamark. They are teaching to Prahlad. But they teach very incorrect lessons. They are saying, whole world your enemy. No believe anyone. Kill everyone and just you live yourself. This very strange lessons teaching, sentence teaching. Prahlad saying, what is this study? My Gurudev Narad Muni saying, you love everyone, you like everyone, all are your God brother, God sister. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet. So Prahlad Maharaj not learning this all lesson. This is not sar, no essence of teaching. This all asar teachings, unvalid teaching, no meaning of, meaningless. But Guru Putras are saying, so Prahlad Maharaj no make any quarrel, but not accepting this anything. He always thinking what his Gurudev's Narad Muni said. When he returned to home, Hiranyakashipu asked, what you learn, one nice lesson, one beautiful lesson, just one lesson tell me. Prahlad Maharaj very happy and said, oh, my life, what I learned, that whole life learning one good lesson, I can tell, yes. Tell. Tad sadhu manne asur varj dehinam sada samud vigna dhyam sadgrahat hitvatma patam grhamandha kupam banam gato jad harimasrayeta. This is the great lessons. Tad sadhu manne. He asur varj dehinam. He great asuras. This family life, this house, this all relationship too much disturbed. Sada samud vigna dhyam asad grahat. So don't keep any attachment anywhere. Just mind keep separately. In home cannot possible, then go somewhere alone. If go Vrindavan, very good. And they are fully sheltered to Bhagavan. Now or any time, this is the goal of life. Banam gato jadhari masreta. Who no learn this thing, no understand this thing, they anything doing, no meaning. When Hiranyakashipu heard this thing, too much laughing. Saying, my son is small, and I think Vishnu's followers went to Gurukuls, because many preachers going no school, college here, there, our own philosophy teaching. They must came there and he's changed to my child mentalities. Hiranyakashipu not so much said, but asking to Sandamark, what is going on? Sandamark said, we not teaching like this time. Prahlad Maharaj more telling, after Hiranyakashipu asking, one good lesson tell, at least one good thing tell, what you understand. This is not proper. Another thing tell what's more proper, who's more great, Jad Adhitam Uttamo Bhavan. Then Prahlad Maharaj another saying, Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Bandhanam Dasyam Sakhyamatma Nivedanam Iti Punsarpita Vishnu Bhaktis Chena Lavlachana Kriyate Bhagavati Adhatan Manne Adhitam Uttamam. This Nabda Bhaktis, Sravan Kirtana Smaran Pada Sevan Archan Bandhan Dasya Sakhya Atma Nivedan. Anyway, we offer to Krishna. Be to connected to with Krishna. This is the Uttam, great study. Which life have no any connection with Krishna, what is life? That time Hiranyakashipu become very unhappy, very angry on telling to Sandamark, what is you teaching like that? Sandamark folding hands saying, no Prabhu, we cannot do like that. Then why is speaking like that? Saying it's naturally. It's nature like that from birth. Na mat parnitam, na par parnitam suto badatte satava indra satro naisargikiya matirasya rajan nijacha mannu kadada sammanna. Don't be angry with us. It's naturally telling. Then Hiranyakashipu asked to Prahlad, if your gurus not spoke like that, then where got this knowledge? Then Prahlad Maharaj saying, Pitaji, this knowledge not coming on self, needs some mercy of sadhu. Matirna Krishna swato paratova. Mitho avipadyet grahavarta nama adanta govir visatam tamisram punah punah charvita charvanana. Naisa matis tavat urukramangrim spirst anartha pagmo jadartha mahiya sam pad rajavisekam niskinchina nam navirnita javat. नते विदु स्वार्थ गतिम ही विष्णु दुराशया जे बहिरर्थ मानिनम अंधा जथा अंधे रूप नियमान बाची सतंत्याम उरुदाम निबद्ध मतिर्न कृष्ण स्वतो परोतोवा. Our mind fully fixed Krishna's lotus feet needs some Mahabhagavats mercy, some Vaishnavas mercy. This Guru Putra, what will teach? They don't know what is Swarth, what is Paramarth, what is selfish. Selfish means Swartha, or ourself what good. That called Swartha, or that Swarth is the Paramarth. Which life is Paramarth, serve to Krishna, love to Krishna, that is Swarth. If some blind person take to another blind person and telling, I will take you where you want to go. One blind person don't know way and he took another blind. So two blind walk, then what happened? Both will drop somewhere no one can reach. So one who don't know Shastra, another who following to that person. So Guru Putra don't know proper. So they not teach. That time Hiranyakashipu very angry and order pass, anyhow kill this enemy. This type enemy I don't want to live. So all plan to kill, but every plan failed. This many mention, no, like giving poisons by elephant feet, like to smash, throwing from mountain, putting in fire, what not did, killing by sword and weapons, but all things not work. Anyway, they cannot kill to Prahlad. जाके राखे सैया मार सके न को, जाके रक्षक वह नंदनंदन माधव कुंज बिहारी, इनको मार सके न कोई, कर लो जतन हजार. Then Hiranyakashipu too much tension. What to do? Sandamarka said, Prabhu, don't worry. Just your one eye crooked, all demigods sweating, everyone running fear. You fear one small boy. Just little more time give. My father when return, then he nicely teach to Prahlad. He more experience. On that long time we take care to him and we will change him. So they took again Gurukul and too much chastising. Oh Prahlad, your family, your dynasties are sandalwood trees. From that dynasty, where you become Babul, throne tree, which Vishnu cutting your families, your dynasty, are you helping to that Vishnu? Santya sadhvo loka durmaitra chadm vesina. That not proper. Like this, too much chastising. After chastised, they went to home and Prahlad Maharaj in Gurukul and asking to all children, oh dear brothers, you like me? They say, yes, very much. You like my all kathas? Saying, your katha is like honey. Tell me, which katha I will tell? Some new story, nice story tell. So all surrounding Prahlad and Prahlad start to speak proper lesson. What is real? Study. And Prahlad Maharaj saying, Kaumar achret prayagyo dharman bhagvataniya durlabho manuso janma tadap durva marthadam. Sukham indriyakam daitya deha jogena dehinam sarvatra labte daivat jatha dukham ajatnata. Tad prayaso na kartabyo jad ajur hartibhya na tatha bindate chevam mukunda charanam. This nice lesson Prahlad Maharaj is starting to speak to them, saying, anyway, from small age, start to satisfy to Vishnu, do bhakti to Vishnu. Don't try to material happiness. This automatically bad and good coming and going. So for that, don't waste your time. If we can satisfy to Bhagavan, then what we not get? Or if not satisfied to Bhagavan, then what we got? So tushte cha tatra kim alabhya anant adye किम तय गुणे व्यतिकरा स्वसिद्ध धर्मादया किम अगुणेन कांचितेन सारम जुसाम चरणयो उपगायताम. Your very small age, your mind not anywhere attached. If mind anywhere attached, then after returning from there, so hard. Oh brother, कथम प्रियया अनुकंपिताया संगम रहस्यम रुचिरांच मंत्रान सुहृतसु सने हसित शिशूनाम कलाच्छरानाम अनुरक्त चिता. One mind absorber to family life in wife, children, friends, society. Then from there returning mind very hard. But now we are very small, mind not so much attached anywhere. So we just love to Vishnu, love to Krishna. Love to Vishnu, nothing need. Just lead only affection. Nanab devatam dijatang risitang basuratmaja prinaya mukundassa na bitam na bahugyata na danam na tapvajya na saucham na bartani cha priyate amlaya bhaktaya hari anyat vidamban. So brothers, leave the asuric nature, demonic nature, and do Krishna bhaktis. Chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. So when Prahlad Maharaj start to some kirtan, and they all starting to kirtan. जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का. जीवन बीते जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का. जीवन बीते घड़ी देवरी से सिद्ध जन जछ असुर गण गंधर्व मानव हरि को भज सब. देवरी से गंधर्व मानव हरि को भज सब. भजन बिना न उधार का, भजन बिना न उधार का, ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का. भजन बिना ब्रह्म दया सुर जनम नथो सीधा सत्वैक तान मतयो बसा प्रवाह. नारद तुम पुरु पिप्रु गुणे तिम तोष्टुमर्हति हरि में सग्र उग्र जाति. मन धनावे जन तपस्सु तौजा तेज प्रभाव बल पुरुष बुद्धि जोगा. नाराधनाय भवन्ति परस्य पुंसो भक्तयतु तोष भगवन्ति. जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, जीवन बीते घड़ी, ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का. जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, ले लो रे नाम. तोमर बिताए थे जो मन गमाया, बुढ़ापे सोचे क्या खोया के पाया. कोमर बिताए थे जो मन गमाया, बुढ़ापे सोचे क्या खोया क्या पाया. भूला है नाम बनवारी का, भूला है नाम बन, ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का. जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, ले लो रे नाम. बालक जुआ कोई स्त्री पुरुष हो, भजन सभी का धन करो सफल जीवन. आओ शरण गिरधारी का, आओ शरण ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का. जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी का, ले लो रे नाम. बार बार कहते सुनत नाही बावरे, अवसर न भूलो भले पाए दावरे, बार बार कहत सुनत नाही बावरे। अवसर न भूलो भले पाए। प्रहलाद महाराज नर हरि का, दास मधुसूदन नर हरि का, ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का, जीवन बीते घड़ी घड़ी। विप्रद सर्गुंजताधर बिंद नाभ, पादार बिंदयो विमुखा स्वपचो वरिष्ठम, मन्य तदर्पित मनो वचने हितार्था, प्राणम पुनाति सकुलम न तु भूरिमा। ले लो रे नाम हरि हरि का, ले लो रे नाम हरि। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि 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 बोल, हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि हरि। So when Prahlad Maharaj start this Harinam, Sandamar too much scared and went to Hiranyakashipu saying, Maharaj, everything destroyed. Before was one Prahlad, now become thousands of Prahlad. Who will stop to whom? Hiranyakashipu too much scared came and said, stop. No fear from me. When I angry, then whole Lokpal, all directions are shaking. All demigods are sweating and shaking, fear. And you are not care to me. क्रोधस्य जस्य कपन्ते त्रैलोका सहेश्वरा, तत्समयभित मूढ़ की बल शासनो किम बल त्याग। Then Prahlad Maharaj said, Prabhu, whose power you are speaking, who are everyone power. Without his power, no one can do anything. When he switch off, then everything is stopped. So that power, I am chanting his name, his mercy. Then saying, where is your Bhagavan? Now I will cut your head. I see how your Bhagavan will protect. Oh unfortunate boy, or your unfortunate Vishnus, just tayo mad bhagitam madan jagdishvara kwaso jadi. Prahlad Maharaj say, everywhere. If everywhere, why not in this pillar? He says, yes, there also. Hiranyakashipu very angry, or one punch, fist to pillar and broken, and from there अद्भुत मूर्ति पर। बोलो नृसिंह भगवान की जय। सत्यम विधातुम निज धृत भाषितम व्याप्तम च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मन अदृश्य रूपम तातम उद्भवम स्तंभे सभायम न मृगम न मानुष। Hiranyakashipu just thinking, what is this? Hiranyakashipu catch, and Nrsimha Bhagavan catch to Hiranyakashipu, and Hiranyakashipu just thinking, what is this? But not so much time. तव कर कमल वरे नखमद भूत सिंहम दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनु भृंग केशव दीर्घ नर हरि रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशव दीर्घ नर हरि रूप जय जगदीश जय जगदीश। जय जय लक्ष्मीपति नृसिंह मुरारी, जय जय लक्ष्मीपति नृसिंह मुरारी। मंगल निलय सर्व मंगल मंगल जय नृसिंह देव जय नृसिंह देव नृसिंह देव जय नृसिंह देव नृसिंह देव जय जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज। बोलो नृसिंह भगवान की जय, भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय, श्री गुरुदेव की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंद। So next time more katha, now time is over. Next time Prahlad Maharaj Stuti something we will speak on, again some this katha what we are hearing, Rup Shiksha this will hear. Vancha kalpatrubhyascha kripa sindhuvascha pattanang pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah।